Welcome back to Joy. We're driving to Benissanet, and it's all up to you. You'll see, you'll be eating with a plate next to it, cookie. Really going great with that girl. Yeah, I don't even know anymore, let's go. You never know what kind of welcome. Let's just drive. Either nothing happens here, or it gets totally crazy in Benissanet. Melvin's busy, Joy regrets it, and you're the only viewer anyway. Congrats. No one watches this show. Absolutely no one watches the show. But ride along with us, 'cause Joy does the work for two Melvins. And that was something, at least. Weird that the views are so low. Alright, let's go. We're going to Benissanet. Damn it, gets himself in trouble. Look at me, look, then you'll see it for real. It's really mobile, Dutch stuff here, and over there you've got stuff too. Whatever this is, we could pop into Zima and get you some new clothes. 'Cause today you're dressed like a Kiwi. Yellow green is, yeah, that's a Kiwi. Yeah, smart ass in the car. So where's the border? Then to me there's no border at all. Where are we driving? You can just buy fireworks here. I think we're in Belgium. Belgium and the Netherlands mixed together, so Arnhem, Nassau. Benissanet is a letdown. Now that's something. Yeah, this is the beer. Want a beer? No, I'm going to beer. Not tasty here either. Go to the lady. Hello, I do a lot with you. You, like a Kiwi, go stand among the Kiwis at Jumbo. And then a lady comes and says, I'll have this one. And she'll just take you home. I'm nice and juicy. No, this nice juicy chicken is nice and juicy. What's that building? What building was that? A church. Look, with that thing built on it. Yeah, that's the ridiculous church I mentioned. Wanna go there? Well, we'll see you there. Here you can see the border. We can park here, right? I'll just park on the left. Yeah, give it to me. I'll just park it here. On the roof, though it's big, something else. But yeah, we've got a car here alongside. Yeah, I can't possibly know what they're saying. Evening? Yeah. Okay, small. Well look, don't we have that sign? Oh, you see here that nothing of it. Yeah, look, I actually quite like it. Can we go inside? Ask the priest, maybe we can be helped in here. Just don't give a 10. The little hut on top of the chicken. Yeah, special, the chicken church. I chickened the church, a very beautiful church. I don't know, such a beautiful old building. And yes, it's old, look at that church, close. Hear the origin of the formation of the Clover area and Clover Harbor area. Yeah, I don't know that word again. Well, it's barely readable, young man, so poorly maintained in Belgium, Netherlands. In 1830 until the 26th, April 9 farms became a bit known through the Netherlands, but the land always. So if you summarize in 3 sentences what those poles are for, the border buy them for a lot of money, right? But honestly, for 300K you get a detached house here, oh, 12,000. Honestly, I think it's not bad here. Gifted folks actually come out better. Why do you think that? Seriously, have you seen this village? Have you seen this village? Yeah. Have you seen that square? Look at the square. So this is actually, let's see, I don't know what you're on about, but this is the first thing I like here. Just like back home. Now it's usually completely wrecked. We've got a do it looks hella mall out there that one has. So even the bed is a different level. We basically have to take everything back. Hey, look, see, there's attention to things here. It's actually really cozy here that you are renovating, and the renovation's going well. None of your business. Okay, I'm going already. So this is the border, and now we're going to another border, the one with Belgium. Terrible program here, that one. Yeah, that's the left side of our house to follow. Then all the Dutch can follow us. I'll join you today from the next border. We'll do that then. No, if we just keep normal distance, it's fine. Can we please actually drive somewhere we're not? We have to go left. Don't just go into the street. We've been here like 10 times. He drives 40 through the street, or I drive like a grandma. Oh wow, how awful. He sees the camera too. Yeah, he called the police ages ago. You're what you tell the police. And the red metro is following us. There's a white guy with long blonde hair and a dark guy, and he kind of looks like a child. This isn't going well, and he doesn't notice. We've made a decision, we're just going on. Well, I scored, I closed the pot, the pack ding na. But ik onttrad, dat ik vast van my klomp. Then we don't dare how to score this with the guarantee. Yeah, I know, kiezen.